Good morning, everyone. Today is 2nd of June 2023, and here we are to trade. And the market is falling. RSI is below 40, so I am planning to buy 44,200 call put option. Okay, my plan is to buy it around 390, 385, around that level. Right now, it is trading at 395, 396 ish level. Okay, so this trade will carry the minimum or minimal SL. Okay, we will only aim for an SL of only up until 20 points. I have placed an order at 390, so I'll come back when the order gets placed. Right now, okay, cool. So order has been placed and I'm so happy. Hardly it has been 10 seconds that the order has been placed at 56.20. Okay, at 590. Right now it is trading at 85, 385. And what I'll do is, okay, I'll mark this is a short position, so I will mark a little bit over here. 356 I have taken. Right now it is trading at 386, 380, 390. Okay, cool. Let me mark it over here. Okay, no, this is wrong, sorry. Okay, let me go to short position. Okay, choose short. Okay, need to find 56, 956, around this level. Okay, because it went till 85, reducing the points or stop loss to the bottom. And this is a short trade, so we will increase our target a little bit. Okay, see, it has not even been more than 20 or 1 minute and we are already seeing 2000 plus profit. This only happens at a losing trades, okay, of me. So example, I'm about to take a trade at and I have entered a trade. As soon as I take it, goes 30 points, 40 points, 60 points loss. This is one of the easiest trade I have taken, and look at it, 3000 rupees profit it is giving. Oh my goodness, this is driving me nuts. Okay, here it is falling. The market will continue to fall below 40, and that is what we want, guys. Come on. Okay, 40 point is our target. 40 point is here. Okay, oh shit. Okay, it's showing 50 points. It went up until 39. Okay, 39, 41 it went up until. We'll wait. Okay, our target has come. It is a great time to exit. Okay, I will place an order before it snatches away more, because there are days where it takes us into the reverse part. Okay, 430. Okay, oh shit, I was about to enter at, my target was 430, and right now as I was about to exit at 40 points, it is gone below. Okay, I think there are chances, the way it has fallen from the trade that I have entered, it has fallen very beautifully, and there are high chances that it might keep falling very fast. Okay, so I'll just place it to 30. If it goes below 20, I'm exiting at 30. If not, I'll take a little risk, because just 20 points on the top side. Okay, 30. Right now it is trading at 430, 429. Okay, I'll exit at 431. Okay, 430. Okay, I hope I get 15 more points, but anyways, we will see. 26. Okay, does not seem good. We will exit this at 30 only. Okay, no, Kaustubh, you have to wait. Okay, cool. Let us show a little emotional. Okay, this is getting little too personal, but which I do not have to show. Okay, 431, fine. Okay, oh shit, this is too boring, man. I just hope that it moves very fast to 437. Okay, oh shit. 445 came, cool. 445, I'm placing an order. 442, okay, cool. 445 exit, and okay, cool. As soon as I have exited, it has gone up. So 445 I have exited, 5500 profit is being booked. Amazing. Okay, let me go to the orders and then see, you guys can see 56 bought, 59 exited, hardly taken 2.5 minutes. Amazing. As soon as I've exited, now it is trading at 57, 60. Guys, oh my goodness, I told you guys it will bloody go to 460. It did go to 460. We missed close to 15 points more, but it's okay. Let's not be more greedy. 5500 is better option buying profit. Okay, so we have got 55 points. It's more than enough with what we can ask for. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next video. If you want profits, come to the markets. We will give you.